All right, for this example, we need to use the function f of x equals negative 2x squared minus 5x minus 7 and find its rate of change from the negative 1 to 2. So rate of change, your clue word to use f of b minus f of a, all divided by b minus a. So we pull out the first one and label it a. We take the second one and label it b. So now we set up our formula over here. Take f and plug in b, which is 2, minus f, plug in a, which is negative 1. B again was 2 minus a, which is negative 1. So this is how it should look. Now the only two things we need to find are this and that. Okay, so let's find those. Take f and evaluate it at 2. Then we're going to take f and evaluate it at negative 1. So we set up our function, negative 2 times something squared. We leave blanks. All right, and then we plug in some numbers. So we get 2 here, 2 there. 2 squared is 4, times negative 2 is negative 8. Negative 5 times 2 is negative 10, so we keep it moving it down. Move down to negative 7. Now we get negative 8 minus 10, so we get negative 18, minus 7, so we get negative 25. So f of 2 is negative 25. Now we find out what f of 1 is. Take negative 2 and then square it, minus 5, and then we're going to have something minus 7. Now we plug in negative 1 and negative 1, because that's what a is. So negative 1 squared is 1, minus 2 times 1 is negative 2. Negative 5 times negative 1 is positive 5 minus 7. Negative 2 plus 5 is 3, minus 7 is negative 4. So negative 4 for f of 1. Now we plug in what f of 2 was. Well, that's negative 25. Negative 25 minus f of negative 1, which was negative 4, divided by 2 minus a minus 1. So let's simplify this down. We get negative is a positive. Negative 25 plus 4 is negative 21. Negative 2 minus is a plus, so 2 plus 1 is 3. And 3 goes into negative 21, negative 7 times. So the rate of change equals negative 7.